I got my hammer and I need to bang. Take my shelf apart. Now, the bars, they go as high as 6 feet. My problem is I have a sailing fin that's going to go here and it's going to spin when I do my work. So I know these, I don't trust the plastic that are on it. So what I did, I cut them down to size. Oh, this one goes here. They slide in. They snap into place and they rest. And then you take the next one, you put it in the back. Do the same thing. I got it right against the wall. There we go. They almost snapped in. Shouldn't take me no more than 5 minutes to do this whole build, this transition. I just want to make sure I get them in there. Take my time. Got one side in right. Did I get them both in? That time I got it in. I got 2 more to do. It's a little dark. My transitions, they take a half an hour to adjust inside, and they take 5 minutes to adjust outside. Just amazing how they transfer over. Almost got it in. I missed. I missed again. Think I got it in. I missed both of them. There we go. Got one in. Feel for the next one. They slip in. Just takes time to get all the corners in. Almost. There I go. Now what you do is you take this bar here and you put it between the two and it locks it into place. You got to squeeze them together to make sure they lock, and take your hammer and bang it down. And that joins it. I don't trust that. I'll do the same thing to the other side. We'll lock them into place, make sure they go together correctly. Just feel for it. There I go, I got it. The hammer helps. Bang all you want. You can bang, bang, bang. It makes no difference how much you bang. Slide on top. Fit in the 2 areas. And one more to do. Oh, there it is. I don't need those 4 pieces, and I got 4 more I don't need. Building a shelf with fish. It's not that hard. I got it done. I built it. Oh, wait a second. I still got another shelf to put on. So here we go. Doesn't matter which side you put on. Slide this on, slip it on. Might as well do it first. And it rests in there. Give it a little help with the hammer. Not too hard. There you go. And if I wanted to make 2 short shelves, I can. I got enough to do it. I got 2 more shelves to do. So now, do I want to do 2 short shelves? Let me think about it. Yeah, 2 short shelves will do, definitely. Use the shelf, utilize it. So this is what we do. Lay everything out on top. We'll work it in. Work the top ones on. Lock them into place, secure it down. Do the same thing to the other side. If I had music, I'd be taking my time. Now, count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 2, 4, 6 right here. Let me see if I get that right on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4. There we go. 6 and 4. It adds up. There we go. I got 4 more to do now. Look level to you? Yeah, back up. Always check to see if it's level. Don't gotta super bang it. Almost done. You tell me how it looks. Looks good? Is it passable? Put the shelf in. I know I'm going to have a problem if I don't put it in now. One more to do. Last one. Bend it just a little bit. Feel for it. There I go. I could have cut this down a little bit more, but I chose not to. I cut it to where exactly the existing one would be. And now, get everything done. Give it a little love tap. Locks in. Done. Save the hammer. The hammer could always be put not in there, not in here, but you know, save the hammer. It's good. Maybe I could put it back here. I'll leave it up there. So there you have it. Now I'm able to put my things in. I won't have the height I need, but at least I could start to put things away on the shelf. Ceiling fan goes in. Maybe I would have cut this down too. This way the light would throw that way, light up. You tell me. You like it? Is it passable? I think it's pretty good. Maybe I could have put this down here. Then I would have had one tall one, one short one. At least I got what I wanted. Have a great day.